The U.S. is stepping up its game in the space domain, deploying groundbreaking ground-based jammers to counter threats from Russian and Chinese satellites. This move is not just a technological advancement but a strategic necessity in the modern landscape of space warfare. This video dives into the details of these new jammers, explaining their significance, functionality, and what this means for global space security. Stay tuned to understand why these jammers are a game-changer in the ongoing space race and how they are designed to protect U.S. forces without escalating tensions. We'll explore the technical aspects, strategic importance, and operational deployment of these devices, giving you a comprehensive view of this critical development. The U.S. Space Force has introduced a new generation of ground-based jammers known as Remote Modular Terminal jammers. These devices are designed to disrupt the communication capabilities of adversary satellites, particularly those operated by Russia and China. Unlike previous systems, these jammers are small, transportable, and cost-effective, making them ideal for deployment in various environments. Earlier this year, the Space Force conducted successful tests at 2 locations, with a third site controlling the system. This initial phase demonstrated the jammer's effectiveness and readiness for broader deployment. By the end of this year, all 24 jammers are expected to be operational at undisclosed locations, enhancing the U.S. ability to counter satellite-based threats. What sets these jammers apart is their strategic design. They are not intended to protect U.S. satellites directly but to disable the communication capabilities of enemy satellites temporarily. This approach allows the U.S. to maintain its defensive posture while still addressing the threats posed by adversary satellites. Moreover, these jammers are part of a broader array of counter-space technologies, complementing larger systems like the counter-communications system and the mid-size Meadowlands system. The integration of these systems provides a layered defense strategy, ensuring robust protection against various satellite threats. In essence, these new jammers represent a significant leap in space defense technology. Their portability, cost-effectiveness, and strategic deployment underscore the U.S.'s commitment to maintaining space superiority while minimizing the risk of escalation. This innovative approach to satellite jamming is a critical component of modern space warfare, reflecting the evolving nature of threats and the need for adaptive defenses. The deployment of these ground-based jammers is not just a technological achievement, it's a strategic necessity in the current geopolitical climate. China and Russia have significantly advanced their satellite capabilities, posing substantial threats to U.S. and allied forces. General Stephen Whiting, head of U.S. Space Command, highlighted the extensive satellite networks of these countries, designed to track and potentially engage U.S. forces. China alone has hundreds of satellites in orbit, capable of gathering detailed intelligence and coordinating military actions. Similarly, Russia has developed sophisticated satellite systems to enhance its military operations. The presence of such capabilities necessitates a robust countermeasure to ensure the safety and effectiveness of U.S. operations. The new jammers provide this essential countermeasure. By disabling the communication capabilities of enemy satellites, the U.S. can prevent adversaries from obtaining critical information about its forces. This disruption can be crucial in a conflict, denying enemies the ability to coordinate attacks or respond effectively to U.S. maneuvers. Furthermore, the U.S. emphasizes that these jammers are defensive tools. Unlike more aggressive counterspace weapons, which could destroy satellites and create space debris, these jammers only temporarily disable satellite communications. This approach aligns with international norms and minimizes the risk of escalating conflicts into the space domain. Experts like Victoria Sampson from the Secure World Foundation acknowledge the dual nature of these jammers. While they are defensive in intent, their capability to disable adversary satellites classifies them as offensive counterspace tools. However, their design ensures that their use is reversible and non-escalatory, allowing for plausible deniability and maintaining strategic stability. The strategic deployment of these jammers addresses the growing satellite threats from China and Russia. By providing a flexible, defensive tool that disrupts enemy communications without escalating conflicts, the U.S. enhances its security posture in space. This measured approach reflects the complexities of modern space warfare and the need for innovative, responsible defenses. The technical design and operational deployment of these new jammers are pivotal to their effectiveness. The Remote Modular Terminal jammers utilize commercial off-the-shelf components, making them both cost-effective and rapidly deployable. This design choice ensures that the jammers can be produced and deployed quickly, adapting to the dynamic nature of space threats. Each jammer is small and transportable, capable of being deployed in various environments, from remote locations to conflict zones. This portability allows the U.S. to position the jammers strategically, ensuring optimal coverage and effectiveness against adversary satellites. The modular design also means that the jammers can be easily upgraded or modified to address evolving threats. During the initial testing phase, the jammers demonstrated their operational readiness. The tests, conducted at 2 different locations with control from a third site, showcased the system's ability to function seamlessly across multiple sites. This distributed control mechanism enhances the flexibility and resilience of the jammers, ensuring they remain effective even if some sites are compromised. The involvement of Northstrat, a contractor based in Sterling, Virginia, highlights the collaboration between the U.S. Space Force and private industry. Northstrat operates the jammers, bringing specialized expertise and ensuring that the systems are maintained and operated at peak efficiency. This partnership underscores the importance of leveraging private sector capabilities to enhance national security. Comparatively, the Remote Modular Terminal jammers offer distinct advantages over other counterspace systems. The larger counter-communication system, already deployed, provides a broader capability but lacks the portability and flexibility of the new jammers. Meanwhile, the mid-size Meadowlands system has faced technical delays, underscoring the need for the more reliable and rapidly deployable Remote Modular Terminals. The technical and operational aspects of the Remote Modular Terminal jammers highlight their strategic value. Their innovative design, rapid deployability, and effective operation make them a critical component of the U.S. space defense strategy. By leveraging commercial components and private sector expertise, the U.S. ensures that these jammers remain at the forefront of counterspace technology. The deployment of these new ground-based jammers marks a significant milestone in the U.S. approach to space defense. As the space domain becomes increasingly contested, the ability to disable adversary satellites without escalating conflicts is crucial. These jammers provide a flexible, cost-effective solution that enhances the U.S. security posture while adhering to international norms. The strategic importance of these jammers cannot be overstated. With adversaries like China and Russia advancing their satellite capabilities, having a robust countermeasure is essential. These jammers disrupt enemy communications, ensuring that U.S. and allied forces can operate safely and effectively. Looking ahead, the continued development and deployment of such innovative technologies will be vital. As space threats evolve, the U.S. must remain agile, adapting its defenses to address new challenges. The Remote Modular Terminal jammers represent a forward-thinking approach, blending technological innovation with strategic necessity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. See you next time.